Hello guys, this Python video for beginners is about a programming task to implement a simple algorithm. A number between 1 and 10 should be generated and the user has to guess the number. If the generated number is smaller or larger than the guess, it should be printed out and the user has to guess again till the correct number is found. Okay, that's the task. Now let's do this using VS Code and Python. First of all, we have to import the module random. It contains a function called randint to generate a random integer of a certain range. In our case, it's between 1 and 10. Then I add a variable for the number to be guessed and initialize it to 0. Now the user has to input his guess in a loop till he guessed the random number, so we choose the condition that we will continue to loop as long as the guess number is not the same as the random number. We can be sure that the loop is entered when we start the program because the random number is between 1 and 10 and the guessed number is 0. After that, we let the user input a number and we store the result as an integer to the variable guess number. After that, we can check if the random number is smaller than the guess number. In this case, we print out that the random number is smaller, and if it is greater, we print out that. In the else case, we know that the numbers are equal. Now we show the user that the number he entered is correct. And that's basically it. The program ends because the condition in the while loop that the random number is not the same as the guessed number is not true anymore. I press F5 to start the program in the integrated terminal, and as you can see, it works as expected. Now if you like, go ahead and extend the program. You could for instance count how often the user had to guess till he found the number. I think it's a nice programming task for beginners. If you like it, let me know. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and it would be great if you support me on my Patreon to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching this. If you have any ideas for future tutorials, please add these to the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.